Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a vignette in CapCut PC. So there are two ways to do this. You can either just add a black and white one from the adjustments tab, scroll down, and then this to the right is the dark vignette, to the left it's the white one. But if you want a colorful vignette, just go to backgrounds, scroll down until you find colors, or just use photos of colors, I guess. Hold on, let me just use this one, and I'm just going to rotate that. Go to video, go to mask, and select circle, reverse that, and kind of create like an oval here, like an oval shape. Can I? It's very hard to do that part. Let me just do that one first then. There we go. And then you're just going to feather it out. You can make it a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller depending on how big or small you want the vignette to be. You can even replace it with other colors. Replace clip, and it's going to change the color once again. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.